What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I am Stevie, the military biker. Today I want to talk to you guys about a lesser known product from Custom Dynamics that you can buy for as cheap as $25. Alright, just a quick one, quick video for you guys to show you this little lesser known product from the legends at Custom Dynamics. Now, we all know these guys are phenomenal at what they do, and they produce probably, in my opinion, the best aftermarket lights, LED lights on the market. Everything they do comes with a lifetime warranty, and they're just brilliant, aren't they? Let's be honest, Custom Dynamics are phenomenal. Anyway, so we've all been in that position before where we've broke down at the side of the road and it's pitch black, right? Your battery's gone, your alternator's gone, reducing to the battery to zero, whatever you've done in the past where you broke down at night, whether that be in a car or a truck or on your bike. All right, well, this little bad boy is something that you want to keep in your saddlebag. All right, and if you don't have something like this, then I suggest for $25 US that you go and buy one right now. It is the Custom Dynamics Road Flare Safety Light. All right, like I said, 25 bucks. That's nothing. Christmas present, birthday present, whatever you want it to be for your dad, your brother, your mum, whatever. So good little bit of kit. All right, again, if you've got, like me, I've got tools in there, I've got a flashlight in there, I've got stuff that I'm probably gonna need if I do break down at the side of the road. Well, this is something else that you should add in there, in my opinion. All right, this is the safety flare, like I said. So comes in a nice little pouch, great little zip on it, fantastic. Keep it safe. All right, and there it is. Look at that. That is the the Custom Dynamics Road Safety Flare. All right, it's pretty cool, actually. It does run off AAA batteries, which I'll show you right now. All right, 3 AAAs, which are in the back there. Okay, there you go. Everybody's got AAAs lying around, haven't they? And it just literally screws in like so, and there you have it. All right, it comes with 4 modes. Okay, this is the good thing about it. Like I said, nighttime, if you break down on the side of the road in the middle of fuck nowhere, you're gonna want one of these to make sure that people actually see you, so you don't end up roadkill at the side of the road. So you can actually use it for a torch or a flashlight, as you guys call it in America and Canada. As you can see, it does that little torch. It's extremely bright, LED, obviously. The next mode you can use it on is this one. All right, it's a flashing one, and with the red LEDs and the actual flashlight in the middle, the clear one, which is really cool. Or you can have it like this one, the pulsating one. All right, which again, you're going to need this at the side of the road if it's pitch black dark, there's no lights. This is going to come in really handy. And then last but not least is just this one, which is completely on at all times. All right, really cool and super bright. Check this out. If I turn the lights off, look at this. Look at that. Hey, how about that? Let's go through them again when it's dark. And that sort of firelight you can see in the background is my fire in the garage, because it's currently minus 15 degrees. And yes, I'm wearing a t-shirt. Flashlight, pretty awesome. Sign over there, look at that. Pretty cool. Flashlight, and obviously the red flashing light, and then obviously the pulsating one, which again is super bright, man. It really is cool. Look at that. Ooh, you could use it for Halloween if you wanted to. And then last but not least, this one. So like I said, for 25 bucks, man, you can get this bad boy. And the good thing about this on the back, all right, on the back of the if I can get it out, because my hands are actually freezing cold. Give me a minute. There we go. On the back of this, all right, is a little hook. You guys can see it there. If you can do that. There we go. You can see the hook, so you can hook it onto your back of your bike, whatever you want to do. And I do believe it's got a magnet on it as well. Yep, it's magnetized as well. I just tested it on the side of the saddlebag, on the tank there. That is a magnet in the back. All right, so you can magnetize it to something. Again, if you're on the side of the road, dark o'clock at night, you want to hang that off the back of your bike so people can physically see you at the side of the road. Really good bit of kit. And like I said, 25 bucks. What's 25 bucks? That's, how many pints is that? In Canada, that would be 2 pints. Right, 2 pints. That's all it is. 2 pints of lager. Simple. But yeah, this thing sits in the bag like that. Put it in your saddlebag. Even these are good for cars as well. Put it in the car. Put it in the truck. You break down the side of the road. You've got something. That'll be really good for those night times. Even daytime, man. That's bright enough to cover you if you break down a day. That's for sure. in a little pouch, into the saddlebag, job's a good one. So go check it out, alright, go check it out on the Custom Dynamics website. Again, it's a little lesser known product, okay? It's called the Custom Dynamics Road Safety Flare. I will leave a link down below in the description so you guys can go check it out. But yeah, definitely Stevie's top tip. Go grab one of these, stick it on the bike, and you've got something that's again gonna, add to your breakdown kit, if you like. So, and we all don't want to be there. Nobody wants to break down, but when you do, trust me, you're gonna need one of these as well as everything else that you would carry. Anyway, that's it. Go check it out on the website, the Custom Dynamics Roadside Safety Flare, LED Safety Flare. And again, this is a lifetime warranty. So you buy one of these, it breaks, lifetime warranty, you get it replaced, no problem whatsoever. Okay, guys, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that little tiny snippet of a video. But again, go check it out and go check out the rest of the products on Custom Dynamics websites. Yes, they do sponsor my channel, so yes, I'm kind of biased-ish, but this, I think it's a fantastic idea, I really do. Anyway, take it easy wherever you are around the world. Stay safe, and remember, you'll never walk alone.